Hey guys, it's Dana. Today I'm very excited because we got a new music video by J-Hope. It's called Airplane. Believe it or not, I didn't listen to the whole mixtape yet because I had problems with my phone. I'm such a fake army. But I'm going to listen to it as soon as possible. I mean, just right after I finish to film this reaction video, I'm gonna go and listen to the whole mixtape. But I did listen to Daydream and I watched the music video and I really liked it. It was amazing. So let's see how is this one. Panorama. Is this South Korea? From a rooftop? Sky is rotating. I am really glad that there are subtitles. Okay, wait. I wasn't expecting this beat drop. Okay. Wait. Gotta repeat that. What? Sitting on a chair in the middle of nowhere. Gwangju natives. Actually, when I was in South Korea in September, I visited Gwangju and I think I was the only tourist there. So if you ever go to South Korea, go and visit Gwangju. It's J-Hope's hometown and I think it's a really cool city, so you should go visit there. God bless. It's like Airplane. Some people talk about me. Okay, J-Hope, tell me who it is and I'm gonna go to their house and I'm gonna tell them not to talk to you like that. Don't mess with me. Or with J-Hope. I laugh about it, cause you're sunshine. Drink champagne in my airplane. Beat is crazy. Oh, see this panorama? It's like in Daydream there was this part where there was this panorama but with a different picture. They showed mountains there and here it's a subway or a city or something. Don't give a damn, just happy. See the hairstyle. It's like RM in Mic Drop. I think he had this similar hairstyle with this kind of thing. I don't know how it's called in English, sorry, it's not my first language. Oh, that's it? It was so short. Okay. Wow, okay, I really liked it. Okay, like I told you, I'm an ARMY, but for some reason I had no idea this music video is coming out. I knew about Daydream, but I was really surprised when I checked my subscription list and I saw this. I was like, wow, I gotta react to this, I got this new channel. I don't know which one I like more, if this one or Daydream. I love both, I don't know. I'm gonna go now and listen to the whole mixtape because, wow, okay, if that was so amazing, how is the rest of the mixtape is going to be? I heard that a lot of people like Baseline, the track with the Supreme Boys, so I can't wait to hear that as well. If you're new to this channel, press the like button, subscribe, say hi in the comments, and I hope to see you around. I J-Hope to see you around. See you next time.